Hi everyone, I'm Molly, and today we're not gonna do anything today. We're just gonna be looking at my fidget. So let's get started. So the first one, I've got this unicorn, and it's got Orbeez inside it, like you can see it there. And like it's like blue on the outside with purple hair, and then it's got like darker blue Orbeez. It might look purple on camera, but no, it's dark blue. And it sounds really nice. Next, I've got this glitter ball, which is really cool. It's like bouncy, and then it also has like glitters in it. And sometimes I just shake it, and then the glitters move around. It's really cool. And I also like to bounce it. And like parts of it, it's like squishy. I've got loads of fidgets, by the way. Next is this spinner. So it's got like these little parts here, and you put your fingers on it, and then you just spin it, hypnotizing. And also, if you enjoy these videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so then you become notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, next one. It's time for puppets now. I've got a red flower. That's the not loud side. This is the loud side. I quite like that. I do have some slime, but it's like kind of weird. So this one's like, it's green. I'm gonna try and take it out. I haven't played with this in a while, so I don't know how oh, bleh. It's on my fingers. Tissue. There we go. That's disgusting. But I got that. Now I've got, some people call these like simple dimples or dimples. But I call this a hard shell puppet because it's basically a puppet, but it's like got a hard shell. So it's really good on this side, and it's got letters on it. And then this is the loud side. I quite like this one. This one is my sister's. We have matching, but we can always tell the difference because hers is a bit grubby on this side. It's like a little bit grubby here. So this is the not loud. This is the quiet side. This is the loud side. Then I've got a unicorn puppet. I've got a pink sparkly puppet. I've got a dinosaur puppet. I've got a purple unicorn. I've got a spinner. Well, it's like a puppet spinner. I've got another one. This one's a bit bigger. This one pops better. And then this one's really big. That one's good as well. Next, I got a slinky. It's like a pinkish, pinkish orange. Next, I got a mini puppet. This is my puppet. You've already heard them, so this is a unpoppable puppet, I call it, because once you pop them down, look, it pops up by itself. Then I've got an ice cream puppet, but if I can find it, aha, this is broken. Look, if I do this, it's broken. Next, I'm sure you've all seen SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob. I just love the TV show. It's really cool. I've got is this a hexagon or is this an octagon? I have no clue. This one is just a normal pink. I've got a squishy cupcake. I've actually got two. They're really squishy. I've got a yellow marble mesh. I've got two ginormous puppets. I've got a ginormous heart and a ginormous circle. And then I've got some medium-sized ones. I've got a medium-sized circle and a medium-sized square. Now I've got a blue circle, a shooting star, which is really cool. I got this from Whitby, it's really nice there. This is one of my favourites. I've got a flippy octopus, but it's like a puppet. I love this so much. And it's like tied down on this side, and then it's like normal purple. And now this is another one of my favourites. It's my dimple. I swear I just saw something fly out. I have no clue. Never mind. Anyway, I got this squishy dinosaur. It's kind of like a unicorn, but it's got orange. Then, I don't think people actually call these as fidgets, but I do. Because it's like, you put it like this, and then you grab the top. You grab the top like this, and like it goes like that, and then you just, I think it's really cool. And I would class it as a fidget. I've got two puppet bracelets, green ones. I've got a red marble mesh and a pink marble mesh. I've got a bike chain. It's a blue one. I know people don't really like bike chains. I've got a block snake. I think they call these. It's white and blue. I've got two. These are fairly new. It's giant globals. One's green, one's purple. It's really cool. And they've got like glitter inside and stuff. I forgot what it called them on the package. I've got another glitter ball, but this one's like squishes better. And it's got pink glitters in it. I've got some putty that is this is literally rock solid. I've got two tins of these. It's like these crazy putties, and it's like this one's pink with little rainbow balls in it. It's really cool. And then I've got two of these. It's like these like rainbow blocks. You can like play with them. Then I've got whoopsie daisies. I literally fell. I've got a like spring, so you like squish it till it goes flat, and then you can like pull it. And I've got a squishy red fifth angry ball. I've got 2 dinosaur mini puppets. They're really cute. I got 2 tangles. I got a Tangles mini, which is like a pet, and then I've got a not red, orange, yellow, and green tangle, and it gives me safari vibes. It really does. Oh, those are hard to like connect. Snappers. Where are all my snappers? Oh yeah, that's fun. I do have 2 more snappers, but I don't know where they've disappeared off to. Oh, they're behind me. Nope. But I have 4 snappers. So I've got 2 of these. These came out of a fidget advent calendar. It's like rainbow. And then I do have a bright blue one. And then I have like a gumball one, or like if you want to call it paint splattered, you can. I have those. Merchies. Now, I haven't been collecting merchies for very long. I know that sounds a bit crazy because people like, sometimes some people go like mad for merchies. I'm just going to put this here so you can see it. So I've got a green cat. It's really cute. I've got like a pink cat, but his nose is almost gone and his eyes are almost gone as well. That's how much my sister plays with these. This one's nose is still up there and the eyes. This one's like a lighter green. So cute. And then I've got an adorable hedgehog. It's so cute. You can like boop him. He's adorable. I love this guy. He's so cute. And his eyeballs are all there. Alright, next. I have 4 pop tubes. I have 1 big one and 3 medium-sized one. I have red, orange, and green. I don't know where my green one's gone. That's so fun. So this is a big pink one. If any of you have heard of Alton Towers, I got this from there. I also got this putty, the dried up putty from Alton Towers. I'm going to chuck that away in a minute. And then I got these. This one I got from a friend, and then this one I got from a fidget advent calendar. Monkey noodles. I got a bunch of these. Some people have a lot more than me, but I've got like a bunch. My friend who like has been collecting fidgets for longer than me, she barely has any monkey noodles. So I've got 1 blue, 1 yellow, 2 blue, 3 blue, 1 pink, and 2 pink. Now I've got a puzzle ball. Some people don't go crazy for puzzle balls, but some people go crazy for puzzle balls, but some people don't. So I'm like one of those in between people. I don't like love them, but I don't hate them. That's the same with the bike chain. I don't love them, but I don't hate them. I've got wacky tracks. So this one is from the same. These are from the same, orange and blue. And then I got this one. It's green and blue. Simple Dimple. I have more than this. I have another one. I have 3 of these, but I have like a pink one. It has a pink thing here and a purple one here. and it's like got a pink pattern. This one's got like a starry pattern, and then this one is a red rubber simple dimple. I like this. I got one of these funny looking guys. He's got like eyeballs and you can like squish him. I think he's supposed to like bounce. I think. Oh my god, he hit me on the shoulder. I've got a fidget cube, red and black. I really like this. I've got an infinity cube. I used to have no, I'm thinking of my friend. No, I was going to say I used to have a galaxy one, but I don't. I didn't used to have one. I'm thinking of my friend there. Alright. Mini puppets. Well, I got some more. Yeah. I got like this pink dinosaur. I got this J. I got these out of vending machines. I was hoping to get an M or a D. But I got a J and an L. Fun. I got a bunch, a bunch of globbles. I got 1 orange, 3 green, 2 blue. Blam. And then I've got 4 green if you count. 4 green and 1 purple if you count the big ones. There's like proper globbles. But I count them as a different type. I've got neon ones and then I've got glow in the dark ones. P and oh my god, why am I losing all of this stuff? I remember I gave one to my grandma. So I used to have 3 of these. I gave one to my grandma, and then I had another one, but I don't know where it's gone. Like most of my things. And then I've got 3 pea pods. They barely work though. It's only this one that works a bit. This one with the green. These 2 don't work. These ones were from fidget advent calendars. This one was actually like made properly. I got this from my friend as well. I got loads of my fidgets from my friends. I've got 2 spiky red urchin things. I've got this. I don't know if it counts as a fidget. It's like you shake it and then it makes a noise. I got 2 proper fidget spinners. People used to go crazy for normal fidget spinners, but now they only go crazy for, where's it gone? I don't know where it's gone, but they go crazy for the spinner ones. But I got a blue one, and then I got a bronze one. Yeah, I got an acupressure ring. Is it acupressure or acupressure? What? Is it acupressure or acupressure? Pressure, not pressure. Again. Let me know. Is it acupressure or acupressure? Acupressure ring. Acupressure ring. But I got a broken one that I like to just stretch, and then I got this one that I put on my fingers and roll. And I put them together so then I don't lose the one that's broken. I got this squishy dolphin. It's a blue and dark blue and then black dolphin. It's got sand inside it, and you can squish it. My sister called him. No, it wasn't my sister. I called him Tuna. That's his name. This is Tuna. I got another yellow marble mesh, and then I got a marble mesh keychain, purple one. And this is one of my recent fidgets. Same with the octopus popper. It's an ASMR pod, so it's orange. It's an orange pod with blue and yellow spinning wheels. So if you spin the blue, it doesn't make a sound, but if you spin the yellow, it clicks. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, I hope you can you like and subscribe if you want more videos. Bye.